Ya, kuzoba nehibe vele. Kodwa kuzolunga. Sanibonani. Mfoka Mkhonza lo namhlanje 5 April 2024. Sila eMkhondo kwenye meeting yomkhonto wesizwe. Kusaqhutshekwa nomzabalazo kulungiswa indaba yama-structures and all that eMkhondo. So i-meeting ngayi-5 April namhlanje izoqhubeka kule esidlule kuyo phambilini. Siyabonga.
Nje masinyane indlela esizama ukuthi senze ama-meeting esabridging kumele ukuthi sizame ukuthi siwenze ngale format ngoba zonke izinto zethu zizame ukuthi zihleleke. Siye sabonga kakhulu uComrade uSipho ukuthi umkhondo ngathi uhlelekile, ingakho mhlawumbe kwathi ngithola lama-results wathola yonke into yawo nje ihlelekile all of that. Lokho kubaluleke kakhulu-ke maqabane, kumele ukuthi siku-maintain lokho isikhathi singabese siba nani nokuthi siyenza nje for the sake of doing no. Okay, maqabane, let us move on to number 2 and check on the roll calls. You are welcome maqabane engenayo maybe to ukuthi sikwazi ukuhambisana masinyane. We already done with number 1. Ngithole sekuthandaziwe ngene ukuthandaza impela. Number 2, on number 2 we have dealt with apologies, but we want to redo this one, the roll calls on number 2. Sizochecka ukuthi abase-ward 1 abakhona endlini ngaphakathi bangaki by show of hands. Phakamise nje isandla sakho. What 1? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. About 9. What 2? Abase 1, 2, it's 1, 2, 3. Phakamisile lapho ntombi. Awuphakamisanga. Yeah, 3. What 3? Ne-challenge ke sicabanga ukuthi laba basi-invitela abazama ukubanabise le information azame ukuthi senze kangcono maqabane. Ngeyi-22 March i-1 day name namhlanje sine-crisis when it comes to that. Azame ukuthi sibafonele labo bantu ngesikhombisa imfundiso
u-Ward 3 bavelile bathi banomncwabo.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay. We'll also record that down. Ward 4. Ward 4 sina 2 commander. Ward 5. Ward 1 ngathi khona basaphumile should be 10. Sithe Ward 4 about 2, ne? Ward 5.
Ward 5 kukhona mina representative but bona baye ku funeral.
Abase Ward 5 akunabo. Akho Ward 5 nakhona futhi benza apology la funeral. Ward 6. Okay. Funeral futhi nakhona. Ward 6. Ward 7. It's about 2, Ward 7. Ward 8. Ward 8, bangaki. About 3. Ward 9. About 3. Ward 10. Ward 10, kuphela futhi. Okay, we 1. Ward 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 7. Ward 12, we 1. We 1 was Ward 12. Ward 13, Ward 13, none. Okay. Ward 14, Ward 14 with 1. Ward 15, 1, 2, 3, about 4. Ward 16, we 1, usandibona uzosijoyina usesebhizi ngendaba zama-soup kitchen. Ward 17, 1, 2, 3, 4, about 4. Ngibone kusibundleko phindwa nje. Okay, Ward 18, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 5. Ward 19, uyedwa sweet. Ngicabanga ukuthi si-capturing ngendlela kahle. Ukhona ungazange aphakamisa isandla ukusenza i-process yama-report. Belong e-Ward bani? 7. Ward 7 plus 1, Ward 7 plus 1, Ward 7. Uma ngabe ngithi-ke e-Ward 5, bathi uNondumisa uhlala khona e-Ward 5, bese ngithi ufana nokuthi ayikho i-Ward 5. You are no longer representing Ward 5, but you represent i-Hartsiband. Ukuthi-ke khona lapho kuma-roll calls, we've got 2 members of regional detachment, Commander Usidu, Commander Nondumiso. Then 1 member of the provincial detachment, myself as deputy organizer, and 1 staff member of the provincial detachment, not a member of the provincial detachment, but a staff member, Tutuani Kosi. Ukuthi ngicela ukuthi sizame ukuthi sikuhlukanise ngaso sonke isikhathi bese discussa nje izolo khona lapha na detachment ukuthi ukubeka ngazathi ama staff members agcina interfere kuma political affairs of the detachment, aphinde enze ama statement and enze ama utterances on behalf of the provincial detachment. Akumele kube kanjalo. Yithunywa the provincial detachment. We are not making any political decision on behalf of the provincial detachment, but you are executing the delegated task on behalf of the provincial detachment. We're moving on now to number 3. Anyone to adopt the agenda by show of hands, phamisa isandla sakho. Ngiyayi-adopta noma ngiyayisekela agenda esiyibhalile. Sindlu sizokhona ukuthi i-record it down by show of hands. Commander? Okay, adopta Commander Uzwane. Igama kusho bani? Sipho Zwane, that's all. Commander Sipho Zwane is adopting the agenda. We Sicelo Shabangu, we are second. Any different view? No, we are also seconding. Okay, the agenda has been adopted and seconded. Number 4, minutes of the previous meeting. Minutes of the previous meeting. Ungakhulumi mina kuphela, akukhulume nabanye. Sinama minutes la akhona. Ukusithatha nje basibeke amaqabane. Sibe nomhlangano umhla ka-22 March. Ngizokucela lokho ngemvumo yenu maqabane ukuthi amaqabane mhlawumbe ninikeze nami ukuthuthukana, just you highlight ukuthi ungafundi word by word, just highlight.
members out noma ethi uma ningafundi konke angazi ngizoyisummarize kanjani kodwa angiqale laphana minutes of the Umkhondo Sub-Region meeting date 22 March 2025 venue Velke Kozen Lodge in Kondo. Chairperson Commander Jabulo Katkili Tabera, Deputy Organizer of MKP Madam Potential Assessment. Opening and welcome, Commander Jabulo Katkili opened the meeting by welcoming all attendees from the 79 voting districts of the Umkhondo Sub-Region. He acknowledged their dedication to the movement and thanked them for participating and striving for unity of Umkhondo Sizwe Party as a vehicle of change to people's lives. He further placed emphasis on the importance of winning the upcoming local government elections with overwhelming majority in order to change the socio-economic political status quo in South Africa, Mpumalanga and locally. He encouraged commanders to emulate the character of His Excellency President Jacob Zuma, who always demonstrates unmatched love for the people of South Africa, in particular black people. The purpose of the meeting was to report back on the visit of the National High Command employees in Mpumalanga, which happened on the 16th to the 19th of March 2025, and also to gather input on potential community programs and development initiatives in the world. Number 3, NHC report back. Commander Jabulo Katkili informed members that the NHC visit aimed to restore unity, stability in the province. He confirmed the former convener, Ms. Mary Party, is no longer a member of NKP. President Jacob Zuma will visit the province to help resolve issues of division. Members were urged not to associate with Ms. Party in any NK gatherings and support the current leadership under the provincial convener, Commander Advocate Mkhwebane. The report was welcomed by the attendees. Okay, for the commanders. Issues raised, infrastructure challenges, then we highlighted the Swaran project. Commanders raised concerns about failing park infrastructure and lack of progress in service delivery. The Swaran project remains inactive, and general workers and assistant general workers to sales project steering committee were elected by the community in Ward 11 and Ward 17 to assume duties in December 2024. But nothing is happening, and 2 ward councillors of the above mentioned wards are fighting for their interest. 4.2 WHO Road Construction Project, Phase 2. Delegates expressed the need for open community-led process in appointing the project liaison committee, PLC and PLO. MKP structures resolved to demand transparency, fairness, proper consultation in project implementation. Number 5. Resolutions and way forward. 5.1, deliver a letter requesting meetings with Kondo Municipality and WHO on Monday the 24th, and the engagements on Wednesday. A, to meet with WHO at 9 and Kondo Local Municipality at 12. Delegates will demand A, WHO resolution of the current PSC is reconstitution through open committee election. B, WHO transparency in the appointment of the PLO with minimum qualifications and experience. C, municipality project Swaran, transparency and accountability in the Swaran project. D, municipality project Swaran, contracts of employees. E, municipality project Swaran project expenditure. Meeting with Mkondo local municipality facilitated by 24 members representing 19 wards and 5 members, 3 recommended regional leaders. Commander Lungile, sorry. Okay. Meeting with Mkondo local municipality facilitated by 24 delegate members representing 9 wards and 5 members. And 3 recommended regional leaders.
No, my correct. When you found the job,
Okay.
correct.
Okay, meeting with Mkondo local municipality facilitated by 24 delegates, members representing 19 wards and 5 members, 3 recommended regional leaders, and also Commander Lungile Mabaso and Tutubani Nkosi. So the commanders were, okay, 6 organizational matters. The meeting adopted the following as urgent organizational imperatives: reviving all VD branches across the sub-region. B, recruiting a minimum of 50 members per VD. C, implementing physical, political education and electoral classes in each VD to strengthen ideological grounding and election readiness. All MKP Mkondo WhatsApp groups be closed and have one official group with MKP Provincial Detachment Convener and Coordinator. E, no parallel programs should be allowed. All MKP programs taking place at the level of VD should be reported to the recommended regional members and or to the provincial detachment. 7. The following programs were proposed and supported: RDP housing and site allocation. Community members raised concerns about fairness and transparency. B, Amsterdam water storage dam to be followed up as critical service delivery issue. C, overcrowded classrooms from primary to high school to be escalated to the relevant authorities. D, school nutrition scheme concerns raised about one service provider monopolizing the tender. E, advocates for an institution of higher learning in Mkondo as matter of urgency. F, addressing the plight of farm workers and farm dwellers. G, gender-based programs to combat GBV and support survivors. H, hosting VD-based community Izimbizo to connect with the people on the ground. I, engaging churches and clergy to foster moral and social unity. J, recognizing and collaborating with traditional leaders on community issues. K, creating spaces for youth in sport, recreation, arts and culture to uplift, integrate young people engaging NPOs, NGOs, informal traders, small businesses, tax association and local vendors to build grassroots partnerships. And forging relations with school governing bodies, SGBs, to address education challenges collectively. And then we're on 8 now. The next sub-regional meeting is scheduled for the date, 5 April, time 10 o'clock, venue to be confirmed. 9, meeting adjourned at 15:30, combined by Commander Nondomis Ngomezulu, Commander Tulani Nkosi, Commander Tutubani Nkosi, Commander Precious Yende, in their capacities as ordinary members of MKP, attended the meeting and residing in Mkondo sub-region. Yeah.
Yes, sibonga kakhulu Maqabane. Cishe ama-minutes ethu ahamba ngale ndlela. Is there anything that you want to add, mhlambe eyakhohlwakala noma engazange irecordeke ngendlela e-right? By show of hands, ngizonikeza i-opportunity Maqabane. Sibuye le item, the-adoption of the minutes. 4.1. Okay, Commander.
Ama-minutes ayi but khona into engibukayo mhlawumbe ukuthi somewhere abanye bafethu bazosala uma sekufundwa ngesingisi kanti bakhulunywa ngesizulu. So abanye bazofisa ukuthi nayo yonke into bathi basezwe ukuthi lokhu masekuweza kuya ngesilungu seseyithini. So mhlawumbe in future mhlawumbe uma kwenzeka sithola umuntu mhlawumbe ecela ukuthi bafuthi mhlawumbe uma ewa-highlight translate awukusebenzisizulini ukuze sonke sizokwazi ukuthi same page. Ngicabanga ukuthi
Noted. Ngicabanga ukuthi iphuzu elibaluleke kakhulu. I-meeting vele besi-rana ngolimi olulodwa isiZulu esisasiswati. Indlela esingakhona futhi la e-Big Red Cliff singaleyo ndlela leyo. Uma ngabe sesiyishintsha lento senazathi kujabuliselwa abanye. Uzwakhala naye ukhomanda isingisi kodwa yibo ababhala lesingisi nasakhuluma ngesiZulu. Next time ke kushuthi uzothi uma you-highlight azoba available kithi sonke lawa abhaliwe ngesingisi. Kodwa uma ngabe afundwa kumele ukuthi uzame ukuthi wafunde ngesintu. Wafunde ngesintu. Futhi kwamele ukuthi uzame ukuyiprepare noma le tafula lizame ukuyiprepare ukuthi ke likhona ukuthi liwahubushe ngolimi lakithi lomdabu. Ukhona omunye ofuna uku-eda khona la kula ma-minutes before siwa-adopt. Freeze? Number 2, Commander Mkazi.
Ngicabanga ukuthi lokhu engaze ngihamba ekusesejani. Kodwa kahle kahle ngifuna ukukhuza engakuthandi ngamaminitsi awungazibali masishaya ngama-Facebook amanadlala egrupini MK ngoba lesixoxile ase-MK. Mangabe thina sikukhuluma la sekwazifanana nomsebenzi nangikhuluma akhola nje uma ngabe sikhuluma indaba ze-MK zasemkhonto aziphelele kithi emkhonto. Uma ngabe ufuna ze-profit kunestructure ezizozinikisa lento ngesikhuluma ku-profit. Uma kufuna zibuyithi zizobuliswa istructure ku-region esikhona ngaphakathi. Hayi ukuthi nje thina umuntu bekangeke imali sizobathina ukuze ukuthi abantu bezokwenza njani. Imali sizobathi akulona. Bese ngiyacela ma-Facebook indaba zethu asingayikhuluma ngabe siphikisane ngazo.
Noted. Bale ngokuthi ama-minutes uyawafuna kodwa ufuna ukuthi ukhuze something. Okay. Commander Mthobisi, uzoba number 3, Commander Mkazi, come.
Commander, morning. Commander, ijaji osamani mhlabelo yendlela kahle kodwa kukodwa esavumelana ngakho ngazima lababenza labaminiki bafaka savumelana ukuthi kufanele kwenziwe igroup ukuze sizokwazi ukucommunicate. Makuyiwa lena nje mina ngizame ngiye ngoba igroup kwathiwa yalunga somane ilunga ngazo.
Okay. Meaning kumele ukuthi si-add khona lapha kuma-minutes. Sivumelana ngalokho. Ngiyakhumbula sakhuluma kanjani ukuthi bonke laba aba-identify emawadini kumele babe ne-group la sizothatha khona yonke le information nalezi zinto esicabanga ukuthi kumele zenzeke ngama-issues ekumele process siwafaka nje kule group sinikeza labantu njengoba ngihlale e-White Level lo okhethiwe njengosicelo njengoba bakhetha usicelo e-White Level nginikeza yona ile information bayidiscussa babonke emva kwalokho babuyisa ini i-feedback kuma-meeting afana nala le group kumele siyi-create again. We need to add all ama-minutes ukuthi ke kumele sibe ne-group. Ngicabanga ukuthi uyakujotha down Commander Mlungisi, Commander Mthobisi.
Mandla. Commander Sputman. Commander Mthobisi isondekile vila teki. Ngicabanga ukuthi ama-minutes ngangena khona but ngicela i-clarity lapha yami Commander Mthobani khona lapha akhuluma khona le-5 of requests and regional lapho uCommander khona uthela sizo-correct. Ngicabanga ukuthi leyo correction ngicabanga ukuthi ngangi-assist mina njengomuntu ayengekho.
Okay. Angizwanga kahle.
according to 5 numbers. Uzakhuluma 5 numbers ye-regional bani. Ufuna ukuthola i-clarity lapho noma ngizwana kahle.
La sekhona 19 plus 5.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, kule 19 plus 5 angiyi-clarify yaba kanjani sakhetha u-19 wabantu ngizongicorrecta namaqabane benikhona. Emva kwalokho kwase kuba ne-feeling la endlini ethi uCommander ulungile sicela ukuthi simfake kule 19 lo angangeni eward. Nasho njalo maqabane. Emva kwalokho omunye ubani uThuthukane uNondumiso uCommander uLanga uCommander uSipho ize bebangekho kwathiwa bangekho 2 yibo ekumele ukuthi babe kwe-3 emva kwalokho bese uThuthukane he will be there ukuthi akwazi ukuthi athathe i-information njenge-staff not ukuthi uthatha ama-decision bazomdirector amaqabane lawa aseva ku-region. Emva kwalokho bese asithayipele umsebenzi wakhe lo type lokhu abakushoyo emva kwalokho uhambe ku-profits but owakhethwa nje uCommander ulungile kwathiwa sim-add ngathi kwakuyindaba yama yes kwathiwa kwamele ukuthi angene kuleso space leso ney'ndaba zamafamu kwaba yilo nto leyo then ngokuthathela endlini asise-accepta-ke le gama salibhala phansi yingakho ligcine appeara as part of ama-minute laba ngaleyo ndlela leyo. Kodwa bona uCommander ulungile uCommander uThuthukane they are not forming part of the wide identified leaders including uSipho noCommander uNondumiso kanye noLanga. Bona abangeni okwabo ukuthi bagayide lama-ward ukwenzakala enkolo yaba ngaleyo ndlela leyo. Uthi mover for adoption uComrades Freeze. Any second? Commander?
I second it.
Oh, thank you. Commander Wine?
Commander Somkosi Wadwan.
Somkosi Wadwan. Then we move on to the purpose of today's meeting. Umhlangano namhlanje ke ubizelwe nama-item awu-3. Purpose of the meeting, maqabane, what identified leaders, 2.5.2 NHC Provincial Detachment Status Quo. Sithe siyadeda-ke la sikhuluma nangani regional detachment. Number 5.3 progress reports on WHO and municipality and other social issues akhona la ehlali. We share number 5.3 kuzo bangaleyo ndlela leyo. Then on number 6 all of us sizoba nani nethuba ke lokuthi sikwazi ukuthi sikhulume sibhunge ngakho konke kanjalo okusithinta lama-item ayi-3. Number 7 kumele ukuthi ke bese siba ne-way forward but here on the purpose of the meeting maqabane nakho nje ngifisa ukukusho in brief njengoba sengize ngathola i-2 I will emphasize what other speakers aqale ukukhuluma abakushilo njengayo Commander uSipho. Maqabane leyo entertainer ama-egos ethu ayisale siyishiya ngemuva. We need one MK in call, a united one.
Yes.
Uma ngabe ukuthi mhlawumbe uyithole usondelana eduze kwami ngozi bese emva kwalokho ucabanga ukuthi kumele kwenzelele no angeke kube kanjalo maqabane. Today's meeting sizozama ukuthi senze ubumbano sidiscuss le item le singathi nje sizolele sithi wanya siyiqede. Even abangekho la as part of this meeting, let us ensure that we accommodate each other. Sonke siwusebenzela umkhonto wesizwe. Sonke yabo lokuthi sibe jealous about umkhonto wesizwe ugcine kube mhlawumbe nathi siyalo kanti asibono ehlukene yingoba siwusebenzele ngokuthanda yingoba we spend our resources kumkhonto wesizwe ukuthi ukwazi ukuphila. Therefore maqabane, in good faith ngicela ukuthi le item siyidiscuss in good faith siphume la endlini namhlanje si-united siyokwenza umsebenzi wenhlangano. Le eyokuthi uzothi ukwenza lokho okwenza ngokulaya obani indirectly ulana umkhonto wesizwe. Lowo muntu othi akulaya anytime soon even tomorrow angakutshela ukuthi sesimember womkhonto wesizwe, but the friction oyenzile kumkhonto wesizwe izosicost isikhathi eside kakhulu, and asisenaso isikhathi esanele maqabane soku-entertaina ama-egos ethu, asisenaso isikhathi sokupromota i-disunity kumkhonto wesizwe. Zitshele thoba inhliziyo yakho uma ngabe uzwe ukuthi yashisa kakhulu, zama ukuthola ama-ice uphuze impela, phuza amanzi. Emva kwalokho la sizokwakha umkhonto wesizwe. Emva kwalokho kusasa uma ngabe kuthiwa Njabule you are no longer a provincial detachment member, you are no longer a regional recommended members, noma ligcine bangathi bangantakwentanga maqabane, but umkhonto wesizwe kumele ukuthi ukuphile singacompromise lokho. Asile singacompromise. And enye into futhi maqabane to add le eyokuthi thina la emkhonto sihlulwe ukuthi sihlale phansi kwasithini kanje discuss inkinga zasemkhonto sivumelane, bese si-opta ukuthi siyovele nje senze impumalanga yonke ingalawuleki ngenxa yethu. Yazi inkinga zala impumalanga ziqala la emkhonto. Siyavuma lokho maqabane. Konke kusuka la emkhonto, konke nokuthi futhi umkhonto wesizwe ungagcine uthola majority wards and majority municipalities in Mpumalanga. Kuzoba umkhondo ozokhombisa indlela yaphambili njengoba kuyikhombisile nge-29 May 2020. But konke lokho ngesi-achieve si-divided, ngesi-achieve sisafisa ukuthi ubani lo ogcine kanjalo nominator ukuthi akawuseva ewadini asemkhiphe ubani, ukhethwe kanjani asemkhipheni asifakeni ubani. No maqabane, that's why we must engage kulama items. Let us engage on these items in good faith for the benefit of umkhonto wesizwe, not my benefit, not your benefit, your own benefit, but for the benefit of umkhonto wesizwe. Engicabanga lento le it's a test, i-test le ekhuluma ngama-detachment. The next thing sizoba nemhlangano futhi ofana nalo, mhlawumbe kube khona i-NAC member noma members, kukhona i-provincial detachment, mhlawumbe ngebengasekho kube khona abanye. Sizobuza ukuthi kahle hle kulama-ward awu-19 obani amakhansela obani ama-PR, but uma ngabe sisadonsisana manje siyofika sinjani la maqabane. Commanders, sine-responsibility ngabona once what available to lead everywhere umkhonto wesizwe. La ku-vocab yakho ayibe khona legama elithi unity. Asifuni ukubona iside lakho elithize division usuka nayikhali yini babukosi, emva kwalokho uzoyiletha khona la umkhonto wesizwe. No, la asizameni ukuthi sithandane, yazi silidwa omunye umuntu babu Jacob Zuma akanawo amaqhubu. Kukhona abantu abanye abalida ama-structures very important position within umkhonto wesizwe ebebangale angapha bangamdingi, but ukhonile ukuthi akumukele lokho aqole andlule lapha ephambili. That's why sinomkhonto wesizwe namhlanje. Members of the ANC are coming in numbers joining umkhonto wesizwe. Members of EFF beza in numbers joining umkhonto wesizwe. But kulokho asakwenzile waba yi-example lapha kuthiwa national. La thina sikulwa yila emkhonto ukuthi siyobhidliza i-ANC, wonke lama members wawo ikhama abuya azojoyina umkhonto wesizwe. in preparation for 2026. Sihlulwa yini ukuthi siyoqeda nge-EFF? Siqedana sodwa kunokuthi siqede ngama-opposition parties. Why, Maqabane? Ngiyakucela lokho ukuthi asizameni ukuthi siyihlele futhi. Emva kwalokho uma ngabe ngokuthi kuyenzeka ni-discuss in corners la nidibana khona noma kulama WhatsApp group amancane. Yes, leadership.
Chairperson.
Yes, okay.
So, with due respect, ngizama uku-allocate lapha nje. Maybe ngisukumele ukuyipropose ukuthi maybe eshudile. Masinga-estimate ukuthi umhlangano si-expecta ukuthi ungathatha isikhathi esingakanani uzophuma nini. Sizobona ukuthi masilula kuyayinceda inhlangano versus isikhathi esisibekile for umhlangano. Sizokwazi ukuthi achieve something so.
Thank you so much, man. Njengoba sinama-item amathathu, 3 nje kuphela, but ngibona ngathi nizo-exhausta more time. Yilo lona le 5.1. Then we can decide how much do we spend here on 5.1. Then on 5.2, NEC provincial, it's just more of a report and clarity. We're giving clarities and we give the report and provide clarities on this one. Now, I think we can allocate not less than 30 minutes on 5.1, unless there's any contrary view, but you know,